Well, we've been kind of gloomy and foggy again today. It's definitely have things feeling a little bit more like winter, and we are not alone with that. Winter weather is really settling in across the United States. Take a look at temperatures across the board here today. Look at Bismarck, North Dakota, 12 degrees the high temperature today. Lots of sub-freezing temperatures in the northern United States. Winter is definitely moving in. December 1st is the first day of meteorological winter, so we're really getting in the full swing of winter here. Now, let's take a look at the weather pattern. You can see that cold air settled over the eastern half of the country. We've got this big ridge, the jet stream well to our north, relatively high pressure. That stays put for us. So that means we're going to continue to see the fog chances in the forecast. Over to our east and north, we do see some additional shots of cold air, though. So it's going to be very cold over there. We could stay a little bit chilly at times due to fog, but overall, pretty inactive weather pattern. Let's take a look at satellite and radar. You can see the clouds streaming in from the Pacific. Those are going to be with us through the night tonight into the day tomorrow. Best case scenario, the clouds keep the fog away. I don't think that's all that likely. However, as we look at Futurecast, I do expect the clouds to stay with us through the night tonight and even into the day tomorrow. The issue with those clouds staying into the day tomorrow is if fog does form, which Futurecast suggests it will, we get the layer of clouds on top of that fog. It makes it harder for that fog to burn off. The sunshine doesn't reach the fog as well, so that fog could stay around a little bit longer, and it could make our conditions even gloomier and even cooler. So that's kind of the worst case scenario for tomorrow. Best case scenario, no fog at all. I don't think it's very likely. I think we're going to see some fog here, and I do think temperatures are going to stay a little bit cooler with the clouds in the sky. I think even here in the valley, we could be looking at temperatures that are cooler than even our mountain areas if things play out as I expect them to. Places in the Kern River Valley, though, in the desert, looking at some pretty nice conditions. Just a few clouds in the sky. Also, poor air quality still with us. We mentioned that haze earlier in the show. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. So let's get into the extended forecast here, starting with a detailed look at tomorrow. Definitely think we're looking at some fog early. Best chances outside of Bakersfield, but even here in town. And then again, with the clouds staying with us into the afternoon, I do think temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow. I do think we clear out by Wednesday, so I'm bringing us back into the mid-60s. Could very well still see overnight fog. In fact, I'm going to keep overnight fog chances in the forecast all through this week, so we're not going to lose that anytime soon, but at least the temperatures should rebound a bit more into the afternoon, and we should be a little bit more comfortable. Mountain areas actually looking pretty good for the rest of the forecast here. Definitely clouds in the sky just like us here tomorrow, but Wednesday, Thursday, beautiful sunshine, nice comfortable temperatures. Do see a little bit of a cool down towards the end of the forecast, but nothing major. Pretty nice forecast for our mountain areas.